What's going on, everybody? I'm Shy. This is the Dollar Tree. Shout out to all the new subscribers. Yeah, thank you everybody for watching. Hit the like button. We're gonna go over the markets today. I'm gonna go into this computer. We're just gonna take a look at some news stories. I'm gonna do that right now. This is not gonna be like pre-recorded where I pick out a few or anything like that. I'm just gonna screen share and go right in here and take a look at a couple articles. But first, I want to talk about basic attention token and some of the price movement recently in the markets, and where I think a couple of these coins may be going. So let's get right to it. Take a look at the market. As you can see, Bitcoin pulled back. It actually flashed down pretty far too. Bitcoin's probably going to retest that 11.5, 11.6 area. A sturdy retest is that. If it holds, we'll continue higher. If not, I'll probably shoot down and probably toward that 11,100 area and retest that. Ethereum, guys, remember Ethereum just recently went up to $440. I expect Ethereum, like I said in the previous Ethereum price prediction, and this micro run up before we may possibly get a strong pullback, 20-30%. I want to see Ethereum. I charted Ethereum going up as high as $500, that $480 to $500 area. It got up as high as 445 on this exchange. It got up as high as 445 on this exchange. So I mean, we'll see what happens. Let's see what else we got here. Link, of course, is down. Link was up close to about $20. It's been pulling back. Now, here's the thing about Link. If Link, let me see something. Link is an interesting Link is an interesting scenario, because if Link messes around and continues this trend and bounces, I definitely could see Link continuing higher past $20. And what I'm saying, the reason why I'm saying that is because I'm looking for a bounce in Link, in potential areas where Link may bounce to continue higher. I haven't charted Link, but maybe in another video I'll take a look at it. I'll go over Link. But let's go back. The one that I'm really interested in, that I waited a long time for it to gain some strength and momentum behind it and really start taking off, was basic attention token. Basic attention token was that's what I mentioned previously, like I stated. You could have got basic attention token 24, 25, 26 cent, about 2 weeks ago, and that would have been a pretty good move. Here it is right here now at 34 cents. And I think I told somebody about basic attention token, in that if you wanted to get into basic attention token, get in it. I think it was around 25 cents at the time, and I was like, it was a nice midterm hold to about 38 cents, something like that. And if that was the case for you, then it's almost there. So I don't know if I mentioned it on the video, but basic attention token pretty much got a lot of upside in it. I think what I will do is I'll do another video charting basic attention token and Link. I think I'll do those two. Vechain had that crazy run up, so it's still recovering from that crazy run up. It's been holding pretty strong at that 1.8 cent range. So we'll see if Vechain can maintain that support line at about 1.8, 1.7 cents. You see, where's Vechain at? Right here. It's at 1.9 right now. So we'll see. Down 5% on the day so far. But we'll see if it can continue to hold this 1.7, 1.8 range and trade between that 1.7 and 2.2 cent range. Accumulate for a little bit longer before moving higher. I mean, let's be real. It's been strong, so we all pretty much expect it to move higher. So yeah, let's run over. I just wanted to run through that real quick. Let's go over to this Let's go check out some news. All right, here we go. Cryptocurrency news on Google. Now, here's an interesting article. I don't know if you guys are familiar with the musical artist Vechain. He's originally from Africa, Senegal. He came out. He was looking to push out a cryptocurrency called Acorns or Acoin or something like that. And he wants to turn, Acoin right here. And he wants to turn exclusively a city in Africa completely digital, energy efficient, digital, and running on cryptocurrency. Let me see. It says Acoin is now part of the nearly 1,600 billion cryptocurrency, 266 billion according to data coin market cap. Acoin is a cryptocurrency provided by a marketplace of tools. I'm pretty sure we know that already. More than 60% of people in Africa are under 25 years old, unbanked, and heavily relying on mobile phones to do everything. This means Acoin could really take off across the continent, since 6 out of 10 fastest growing economies in Africa. In 2034, Africa is expected to have the world's largest working age population of 1.1 billion. Interesting. According to the World Economic Forum, which also projects that the continent's consumers will spend $2 trillion by 2025. Wow. $2 trillion by 2025. That's a lot of money. Oh yeah, that was my alerts going off. XRP is down. I mean, listen, I spoke about XRP in the last video. Gotta get above that 32 to 34 cent range. And that's going to be largely dependent upon what the market is doing. If the market starts to trend downward temporarily a little bit, then XRP is going to struggle, and hopefully it stays strong. Hopefully there's still a lot of support around this 29 to 30 cent area that could keep it steady as support to push higher. Dave Portney has taken 180 degree on crypto and begun shilling altcoins. That's a weird article. Steam versus Tron, the rebellion against a cryptocurrency empire. I don't know if I'd call Tron a cryptocurrency empire, but whatever. Hong Kong-based cryptocurrency platform Crypto.com recently announced its exchange will exit public beta. What Venezuela thinks about Bitcoin and American media. That's not pretty. That's not really interesting. Bitcoin price hits 2020 record as investors turn to cryptocurrency during pandemic. Now listen, investors have been in cryptocurrency before this pandemic. Don't get it twisted. This is all part of the cycle. This pandemic might have gave it a little bit of a push at best. Capital One files patent for AI that would slice, dice social media to find crypto trading picks. Interesting. Looking for the next big hit trend. That's what it sounds like to me. What's in the news? What's trending? What are people looking to use? Could the U.S. Postal Service blockchain be built on the Ethereum network? This is interesting. United States Postal Service has filed a patent for a blockchain-based mail-in voting system. According to the documentation published on the United States Patent of Trademark Office website late last week, a paragraph in the filing notes that the blockchain platform could be based on the Ethereum open software platform or other similar platforms. Oh man, this is crazy good news for Ethereum. New USPS patent for blockchain-based voting system specifically calls out Ethereum as potential platform it will be built on. Wow. Yo, in my Ethereum price prediction video, what did I tell you? Ethereum to Bitcoin prices, right? Thank you. Subscribe to the channel. Hey, listen, man. Let's keep going over here. I don't even know what that is. Cryptocurrency market. Blockchain. How can crypto impact e-commerce? We know how it can impact e-commerce already. It's called Vechain. As far as tracking, yes. Russia backs away from total cryptocurrency ban. Of course they did. I'm convinced that any news that comes out in reference to Russia completely banning crypto is fluff and sensationalism. Yeah, I said it. How cryptocurrency influences the environment. Oh yeah, you guys digging now for articles. The rise of cryptocurrency financial derivatives. Staking? Let's take a look. Let me see. In 2007, market capitalization of the cryptocurrency market skyrocketed with Bitcoin reaching $20,000. Back then, cryptocurrencies were making the headlines every day. They're making headlines every day today too. News. One of these news channel thingamajigs, these gimmicky news channels have a Bitcoin segment now on their financial. When they talk about finance and stock market, they also have a Bitcoin segment now. So yeah, it's in there every day. Okay, in 2020. Not just 2017. It's the real deal. Financial derivatives are rising in the cryptosphere. Okay. 6,380 tokens of cryptocurrency relic. Okay. We're going to develop application from retail professional investors. Get to the point. So, this is why cryptocurrency financial derivatives have gained popularity over the last few years. If they become one of the best ways to speculate on the price of tokens, as well as diversify investment portfolios and take advantage of revolutionary monetary system. What are you being specific as far as the derivatives? Well, I know XRP is definitely doing derivatives for their investors. That large Japanese mega company, they were offered XRP, as an investment. I got to bring up that article. I should have did a video on that article. When using CFDs on crypto, a trader uses leverage and margins trading to benefit from the rise and fall of the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Litecoin, and other cryptocurrencies against fiat currencies and other digital tokens by borrowing money from a broker to benefit from bigger market exposure. Contract for difference. Trading cryptocurrency, contract for difference, and other derivatives are a great option for many investors. It's an option, but let me tell you, man, that crypto volatility will wipe you out. And because there's not a large market cap, there's not enough liquidity and money flow, those swings in cryptocurrency are still superbly violent. Superbly violent. Yes. So is that what they talking about? Just stake? Not staking. That's what they just talking about. Contract for difference, leverage and margin. I thought that was going to be something a little more particular. Justice Department seizes millions of cryptocurrency over terror groups. CNN, man. CNN and they prepackaged news, man. Seize millions in cryptocurrency. Justice Department seized $2 million worth of cryptocurrency from terror groups in the Middle East. Here we go with this Middle East stuff again. I'm out. Hashcash gets global recognitions as leader of crypto. Surging Chainlink pushes Bitcoin Cash out of crypto top 5 as wild value tops $6 billion. Listen, let me tell you something. That Oracle solution is they getting jiggy with those Oracle solutions over there at Chainlink. Don't play with them. And if you watch my Chainlink price prediction about getting in around that $6.50 area, you're welcome. Subscribe to the channel. Yes. Chainlink token has soared by almost 80% over the last 7 days. Yo, Chainlink is up like, dude. Chainlink 16x if you talk about the March low. I'm just going to tell you that right now. 20x if you caught it at about $20, just about 20x. Man, yes, eye-watering $6 billion, but nothing would have been more eye-watering than if you had $100,000 in Chainlink at about $2. If you had $100,000 in Chainlink at $2, you probably a millionaire today, depending on how you played the market. And that's no fluff. That's not hyperbole over here on this channel. That's not sensationalism over here on this channel. You legit will have $800,000, $900,000 right now if you put $100,000 in Chainlink at the low $2 range, 220, 230. The coronavirus cryptocurrency craze. Who's behind the Bitcoin buying binge? Well, a lot of people are now getting into cryptocurrency. So I don't. Who's behind it? It doesn't make a difference. I mean, if you win it to invest for the long haul, it don't matter. Longtime analyst Bob says cryptocurrency is one challenge to dollar's dominance. Come on, bro. Is that a joke? Seismic shifts in the cryptocurrency markets may be ahead with stable coins soaring. Seismic shift how? People can't send and receive these effective cryptocurrencies without a stable coin to protect the volatility of it while trading in the markets. So this wouldn't be anything paramount or ridiculously out of out of this world and disbelief. After massive value growth of cryptocurrencies through 2017 and a subsequent burst of the bubble in early 2018, the market seesaw until the beginning of 2020 when it seems another growing spike was taken off. The pandemic stock market crash sent it tumbling again. Since April, crypto values have roughly returned to February levels. Returned? Nah. Exceeded? Yes. Wonder when the last time they looked at the charts. Nah, I'm not critiquing. Excuse me. Unlike cryptocurrencies whose value is volatile, stable coins typically bound to a fiat currency. Although some are pegged against other cryptocurrencies. Prominent examples of stable coins include Tether, US dollar coin, Binance US dollar, all equivalent to $1. Stable coins have been on the rise. Yes, they have. Yeah, all that printing or minting, however you want to put it, of US dollar, USDT, Tether, during this surge is very telling. Yeah, I heard about this Paxos PayPal thing that may be coming down the pipeline as well. Paxos introduced Paxos Crypto Brokerage, a new API-based solution that allows companies to integrate cryptocurrency buying, selling, holding, and sending capabilities into their own application. Woo! That's very good. Paxos Standard. Interesting. Yeah, I dare somebody to say something like, yo, cryptocurrency is the future. Okay. I guess you must be still in the past. Boston Fed Bank explores cryptocurrency with MIT. Oh, you know, it's a lot of backhanded, handshaking, backdooring. How can we benefit from this going on? Chainlink soars. Buy Bitcoin or gold? Novigrads, importantly, prefer the cryptocurrency. Do both. This is not financial advice. This is not financial advice at all. Do both. But anyway, I mean, you know, that's a quick, swipe through the articles for today and last couple days real quick. Decent little video. Pretty much what anybody, ingratiated into the crypto market and what's going on with the markets would do. Take a look at what's going on around. Probably, I didn't open up CoinDesk or, and none of that to go through the articles, but I'll do that next time. So as far as the next video, we're going to pivot away from the cryptocurrency a little bit. Unless something extreme happens, we might have a few days, sideways, a little bit downward for cryptocurrency. Hopefully we can hold support on these cryptocurrencies and continue higher. But you can follow us on Instagram also. Don't forget about that. The.dollar.tree. And actually, I want you to DM us of any of your video ideas or topics that you may have in mind on Instagram. The.dollar.tree. You can follow me on Instagram at I'm Leo Calm. CALM. Of course, you already know I got the YouTube channel. You could subscribe to that as well if you like to. I am Leo Calm as well. I got to put up that LA vlog. And yes, the LA vlog was before the sickness, before all this madness was going on. But anyway, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Like the video, man. Appreciate y'all for watching. And I'll see y'all in the next video. All right.